The circus is falling down on its knees. The big top is crumbling down. Well, it's raining in Baltimore, 50 miles east, where you should be. No one's around. I need a phone call. I need a raincoat. I need a big love. I need a phone call. These train conversations are passing me by, and I don't have nothing to say. You get what you pay for, but I just had no intentions of living this way. I need a phone call. I need a plane ride. I need a sunburn. I need a raincoat. Well, I get no answers, and I don't get no change. Well, it's raining in Baltimore, baby, but everything else is the same. There's things I remember, there's things I forget. I miss you, I guess that I should. 3,500 miles away. But what would you change if you could? I need a phone call. Maybe I should buy a new car. Well, I can always hear a freight train. Baby, if I listen real hard, and I wish it was a small world, 'cause I'm lonely for the big town. I'd like to hear a little guitar. I think it's time to put the top down. I need a phone call. I need a raincoat. I need a phone call.